Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on assumption checks and additional statistics for the one sample t-test. After watching the previous video, you may find this interface familiar with the statistics option to the left and the results displayed to the right. The first thing we'll do is check for the assumption of normality. To do that, just select this checkbox right here and we can see that the p-value is more than 0.05. If the p-value does come to be less than 0.05, it means that your data is not normally distributed and you may need to use a non-parametric test such as the Wilcoxon signed rank one sample t-test. So just select on this checkbox if this violates normality, and this checks evaluates for the difference between medians, whereas a student's t-test evaluates for the difference between means. So that's basically the difference between a parametric and a non-parametric test. The z-test can be used when your sample size is more than 30, because at that point in time, as the number of samples gets larger, the samples are considered to be approximately normally distributed. So you can use the z-test. Now we'll proceed to use some to obtain some additional statistics such as the location estimate and the effect size. So basically, the location estimate gives the mean difference between our sample's mean and our hypothesized mean. So 16 minus whatever our mean was, 10.409, that's the location estimate which is given here with 95% confidence intervals. And the effect size is given by Cohen's D right here with 95% confidence interval. Now this is interesting because Cohen's D actually quantifies the effect size. So arbitrarily, um, 0.2 is, if your Cohen's D comes out to be 0.2 plus or minus 0.2, that means that the effect size is small. If it comes to be 0.5, that means the effect size is medium, and if it's 0.8 or more than 0.8, that means your effect size is large. So as you can see, this is more than 0.8, and hence our effect size is quite large. More on Cohen's D, I'll make a separate video on effect size and location estimate. So stay tuned for that. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.